Hello, uh, in this video I'm going to teach you how to read anything in French, and this will show you the secret of French alphabet. Reading French is very easy when you know these techniques and this alphabet I'm going to show you. Before we start, try to read this one, starting from here. I know you are reading it as if it is written in English language. Okay, let's go back to the lecture. I will read everything first of all, and I will explain these under bracket letters to you. So in French, we pronounce this as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So the consonant letters are pronounced almost the same way as we do it in English language, but for the vowel we do have some challenges. So for this, as for example, you can see it is called A instead of A. So when you see accent on top of it, it's still A. Don't be confused, it's still A. Let's come for the second vowel. So this is A, this is A. Look at this, this also is A. But this A, whenever it's at the end of a word, we don't pronounce this A. It's a silent A. But whenever it has an accent like this, and an accent that goes like this, you now pronounce the A. The same thing when you see something ending with ER in French, it is also pronounced as A. When you see ET, it's pronounced as A. When you now see E with this accent going towards this direction, it is pronounced as E. It's not pronounced as A anymore. It is pronounced as E. The same thing for this and for this one. Okay. For the third vowel, it is E. Any kind of accent that can be on top of it is still pronounced as what? As E, not I. It is in English we pronounce it as I, but in French we pronounce it as E. So the same thing for O. This is O. We have this is U. The U. So any accent they put on top of it is still U. And this is what? Y. But whenever we use it in a word, we don't call it Y anymore. We call it E. It carries the same, spelling with this. E. E. Is that okay? So that is that. So these are some important letters to know, and you have to know them. There's no way you can read French perfectly without knowing these letters. So I will help you. The combination of O and U is spelled as what? No, it's pronounced as U. Say it, U. So the combination of O and I is pronounced as UA. UA. A and I, it is E. E. O and N, it is pronounced as U. U. Or U and N is pronounced as U and N and E is pronounced as une. So E and U is pronounced as E. The same thing for this. E, U, X is pronounced as what? As E. But whenever we have E, U, R is pronounced as So the same thing for this one is also pronounced as mhm. Okay. The E and N, it is what? The same thing. A and N is also on. So this E, A, U is pronounced as O. And this is what we call water in French. L'eau. Water. So E, I, N is N. The same thing as here. N. So please try to go through this again and again till you master the pronunciation. So this is the assignment I asked you to read before. So I will now read it for you to help you understand the class. So le, ni. You know, this is E in French, it's not I. So that's why we have N and E. It becomes what? Ni. So le, ni. This is A. It has accent that comes like this. So it is A. We have le, ni, je. We have R and E. It becomes ri. And we have A. Le, ni, je, ria. We have A again. Le, Nigeria, A. Can you see? So this is D and A with accent. The A, I told you that you have to pronounce it. So A. We call it what? D. We have C and L. So in English itself, when you see C and L, it's pronounced as claw. And there is A here. So it becomes cla. So D, cla, re. And I told you ON is pronounced as on. So we have S, ON. It becomes what? Son. We have PR and A in French. It becomes what? Pre. And we have ME, mi. We have ER, A. So premier. We have what? I told you that this C can be pronounced as K whenever we use it. So we have A, we have C, it becomes K. And in French, we don't usually pronounce the last consonant. So this S, we are not going to pronounce it. This one will be read as K. So let me start again. Le, ni, je, ria, a, de, cla, ré, son, pré, mier, cas, de, virus, corona, et tout, le monde. This two is T here instead of S. So, et tout le monde. You see, this one is A, but because there is no accent, that's why we did not read it as monde. So whenever there is not accent on top of this A, the accent that takes this direction, you don't pronounce the A, you just pronounce this. That's why we say monde. We do not say monde, we say monde. Okay. This is A. And this EN is what? Panique. Can you see? So the same thing. Il a envie de manger. Boire. I told you that O and I is pronounced as what? Oa. So we have B here. So it becomes what? Boire. Since we don't pronounce this E, we cannot say boire. There's no accent like this here. So we cannot say boire. We say boire. Et dormir. Mais. I have told you that A and I is E. So this is mais. We don't pronounce the S. Mais. Il ne peut, I-U-T is still what? E. So, peut, ne peut pas. We don't pronounce this S. Pas. Le faire. Car il a trop à faire. So you have to write everything down, go through it again and again till you master it. If you can master it, I can tell you, you'll be able to read even though more than a university, a graduate, a French graduate, yes, because a lot of people are having challenges in terms of reading. But let me tell you, if your goal is just to speak, I have a video made for you that will help you to be speaking French in a month frame time. And this video is a very sure video. You can get it. Instead of 3,000, I decided to be collecting only 450 naira. So in case you need the video, just contact me on the number, on the above number, which is plus 2348031306884. And this video, a lot of people are benefiting from it, and I don't want you to be left out. Get it. It doesn't cost you anything. It's just 450 naira. Get it for yourself, get it for your daughter, get it for your boy or your relatives, your friends, and let all of us start speaking French language. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Maybe people that need this video the most are on your contact. Please share it with them. Have a great and a nice day.